How to remove account from Instagram login list. Okay, you can remove your remember account or your saved account from list. So in this video today we are going to talk about, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. Okay, so I'm on my Instagram, you can see here. So how you can remove your Instagram account or your save account from Instagram. So first go to this, let me show you the list. I have only one account here, but if I go to the add accounts, so just go to the login with existing account, and here you can see the all your saved account and list account. So you just click on choose the Instagram account, 70 the Google, this is Google Smart Locks, just ignore it. And this is my all save account, so you can log in, or you can click on this three dot option and you can remove from here. Just click on remove. Okay, just okay, so go to the, I just show you how you can remove it. I just go and just remove it. Okay, so you can remove like this, or in my case I have only one account, which is login account. So if you have multiple account login, if you want to delete it, you need to go just add account and go to the existing account, and you will find all your list here, and you just click on three dot option and remove it. Okay, and okay, so that is how you can remove the account from your Instagram list. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.